2025 Porsche Cayenne range adds more standard kit, Turbonite accents. Prices are no joke, though, jumps ranging from $5,500 to $13,700. 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS. Seems like Porsche has been especially active introducing new models lately. Between the slow release of the expanding trims in the new Panamera line and the same for the 13 Cayenne and Cayenne Coupe trims, plus model year updates. Feels like every month gets another press release about increased outputs or more Turbonite accents. In fact, now that the 2025 Cayenne is official, Turbonite is the name of this sports SUV game, as well as new standard features. The standard Cayenne enters the new year with more equipment included in the price. Soft closed doors, surround view with active parking support, ambient lighting and an upgraded PM 2.5 cabin air filter. On the options menu, the $6,600 premium package plus adds HD matrix design LED headlights to its bundle of kit like the panoramic roof, 4-zone climate control, 14-way power seats and Bose surround sound audio. The Cayenne e-hybrid trims get Turbonite on the Porsche crests outside and in, plus the option of 21 and 22-inch wheels in Turbonite. Prices take a healthy step up as well. The GTS took the 2024 model year off. Its 5-figure increases reflecting the upgraded model and the extra kit added on top of the base upgrades for the new year. The twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 adds 40 more horsepower and 30 more pound-feet of torque than the 2023 Cayenne GTS, taking peak numbers to 493 horsepower and 487 pound-feet. That's 29 more horses than found in the Cayenne S that uses the same engine, 19 horses below the Cayenne SE hybrid. Engineers swiped the Turbo GT Coupe's front axle pivot bearings that increase the front wheel's negative camber by a fraction of a degree, aiding turn and response. The Turbo GT also provided its water cooling circuit for the AWD for restraining temperatures during long bouts of hard running. Trim-specific tuning for the air suspension gets help from a torque vectoring rear differential as standard. Porsche's new active anti-roll suspension will be an option. And every GTS comes with the automaker's Sport Design package as standard, but instead of the body-colored trim applied to the previous version. The new GTS puts on gloss black for bits like greenhouse trim, rockers and fender garnish. And instead of the previous black exhaust tips, the new pipe extensions come in dark bronze. GTS Coupe customers get the option of 3 lightweight packages that include center exit bronze tips and can cut as much as 55 pounds from the SUV's curb weight. Tinted headlights and taillights come on every version as standard. A set of 21-inch RS Spider design wheels hide red brake calipers. MSRPs for the 2025 Cayenne after the $1,995 destination charge. And their changes from 2024 are: base, $86,695, $5,500. E-hybrid, $99,195, $5,500. S, $103,595, $5,900. SE hybrid, $107,095, $6,000. GTS, $126,895, $11,800. Turbo E-hybrid, $158,995, $10,100. Coupe, $91,795, $5,500. E-hybrid Coupe, $103,195, $5,500. S Coupe, $109,995, $5,900. SE Hybrid Coupe, $112,395, $6,000. GTS Coupe, $131,495, $13,700. Turbo E Hybrid Coupe, $163,495, $10,100. Turbo GT Coupe, $205,795, $7,500.